Hey, today we are next to a Fiat Punto third generation, it's also called Grande Punto, and I'm going to show you how to replace your license plate bulbs. Each light has this little clip that you need to press in order to remove the assembly. Once you have this done, just rotate the holder and pull it out from the assembly. You can remove old bulb, replace it with new one. If you are replacing your license plate bulbs with LEDs, just make sure that you are using CAN bus ready LEDs, because in this car we will not only have the error code for the bulbs, but when the unit detects that the bulb is broken or missing or is not CAN bus ready, it will shut off the power to it. So you cannot use an LED without the CAN bus resistor. That's why I'm using Aglint bulbs over here, which have the resistor and CAN bus information on the LED. Okay, thank you for watching. Give me thumbs up if this video helped you and check my other tutorials. See you soon.